thus why this vehicle looks like it does. It's a true survivor.
And I can't say how happy I am with the results.
It's a sharp looking car.
We're selling it!
I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
Alright, we are coming to you from La Crosse, Wisconsin, Legendary Customs, and what we have is a 2 zip code car. Yes, it is so long it fits into 2 zip codes. The body, 10 body trunk, easily. The back seat, perfect for making out in. Anyway, the long and the short is we're gonna do some paint restoration. It has seen its better days. Mike is hitting it. We have just started. Keep watching and you will see a big difference. Here we go. All right, as you can see, this paint just has all sorts of damage on it from just time and time itself. It's an old vehicle, it's from the 50s. It just needs some loving, and it's going to a car show literally next week, and it's in here to get completed. The client's been waiting patiently since literally January. We're in the first week of April, and it is here getting some of that loving that it's been needing. But up here on the front fender there's literally what looks like solvent pops, so I wonder if this was painted at one time. We won't be able to fix that, but we'll be able to make it look better. All right, what we have here is Mike has this side on the second stage, no wax, nothing protecting it. That's the final step. You can see the reflection of the light. Now this, he actually has done a little bit of work too, but watch that light. And I don't know if it's showing up that well on the camera, but here in the shop, this side is really fuzzy. It's just really dreary, and then this side has an excellent reflection already. Now, this is not perfect. We're not gonna get it perfect, but it's so much better. And repainting this, once you repaint it, it's no longer original, and there's a lot of sentimental value to this car to their owners, and they want to keep it the way it is. So there you go. All right, so here we are. Mike has finished the roof. Now it's going to be waxed, so it's sealed everything up, but he's also started the hood. Now this is step 1 of 3, and I can't say how happy I am with the results. Now, like I said, it's not going to be perfect. A car like this, you don't get it to perfect. The only way you get it perfect is to strip it and repaint it, but that wasn't their goal. But just check that out. It's just, I mean, you know there's a light there, but it's not really what you can say is a reflection. The blue is so much brighter, and it actually has a reflection. What a difference. What a difference for certain. Excellent, excellent job. Mike's knocking it out of the park. And I would have to believe the owner of this car is going to be extremely excited. Keep watching. He has a lot to do. We're going to brighten up the chrome. This type of thing, that's a pain in the butt to work around. The Imperial, that's going to be a big challenge to work around. He did take... Did you take the rearview mirror off, or was there no mirror? Okay, he did take the rearview mirror off, which makes life easier. But there are so many curves to this car that it is going to be a challenge to get into all the cracks and crevices to make this thing beautiful. But it is coming along nicely, to say the least.
All right, we got this beast back in the shop, and I just wanted to show you something here. The back seat has got some things in it right now, and there's a few little things in the front seat here, but take a look at this. This is a 1957 vehicle. It's original. I mean, how crazy is that? But we're gonna sit down here for 2 seconds and look at the mileage. 26,297 miles. Wow. That's insane, honestly. I mean, that's why this vehicle looks like it does. It's a true survivor. We'll get more footage of the inside tomorrow when Mike has some of the stuff that's in the back seat out, but anyway, yeah. Wild. 26,000 miles.
All right, this thing reminds me so much of other cars that I've driven in the past. The Rambler Countryman, just all sorts of cool things. So this doesn't technically have a park when you put it into park. It's all push button. You turn the key on, you hit the neutral button over here, and that's the starter. And then over here, you turn this to the left, and that gets the,
Can't see it.
you can't
It's a
see from where
brake.
you're at.
Yeah.
But that turns the parking brake off. So what a process. This is not just turn the key and go. And we are gonna go in reverse. And that's the R. But it's all push button. The Rambler was like that also. 1958 AMC Rambler. Well, no,
You're
at that
close
time.
over there, so be careful. That's not even funny. This thing is a boat.
This thing is a freaking boat for certain. It rides.
These gauges are like,
Oh, they're huge.
you're gonna have to. It's not like a.
I need a short turning radius.
Yeah. Holy smokes.
Okay. So we are taking this for a drive up Sunset Lane right here in our development where our shop is. Only to get some pictures of it driving by because Mr. Mike has done an awesome job.
We still got a little more to do.
Yes, there's still more to do. But tomorrow it's supposed to be raining and we might not be able to do this tomorrow. So he's done an awesome job at bringing this paint back to life. Now, these big old cars, this is a Hemi V8, one of the very first Hemis. It sounds like a typewriter, just quiet as can be. You would never believe this was a V8. Anyway, I'm kicking my wife's ass out of the car and I'm gonna do some drive-bys, and if she's not nice to me, I'm gonna run her ass over.
Thanks for not hitting me.
It was tempting. I could have said brake failure. No, it wasn't tempting. This thing drives like a dream. We've driven it a whole one block, top speed 15 miles an hour, but oh my gosh, this thing just floats. Electric windows,
And the motors are really good.
and they work awesome. Better than a lot of the new cars that we get in. The rear have these very cool vent windows in the rear. I've never seen anything like that before. This car just, I mean, quite honestly, it reminds me a lot of the Packard that we redid. It's just a lot of hidden surprises of options that you don't see every day.
That looks really nice. That was really yellow before.
Yeah.
Smooth too.
Right?
Yeah, right?
Feels completely different.
It does, doesn't it? Yes.
It's a sharp looking car.
Yeah, right?
It doesn't stick.
No fingerprint.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's crazy.
John wanted to have his car brought back to life, and I would say Mike definitely succeeded in that. Again, it's not perfect, but it is so much better than what it was. If you like what you see, hit the like button down below. Please share our videos and subscribe. We do so many awesome projects here. If you have a vehicle that's at home that's been sitting in your garage a long time and you just haven't been able to get to it, send us an email. We'll see what we can do to work into our schedule. Chris with Legendary Customs, thanking you, and our team thanks you. We're out of here.